Hello all. I hope you all are doing good, keeping yourself healthy and following all the guidelines given by the government. And most of all, you are studying very properly. Examination department wants to inform you about your sessional examination. That is, the date of conducting the examination is June 29th, 2020. I'm telling you the guidelines which you have to follow very carefully and sincerely. Sessional paper will be of total 30 marks, in which 10 short questions will be of 2 marks each and 2 long questions of 5 marks each. Second point which you have to ponder: maximum time for writing your answer is 1 hour. That means within an hour you have to complete your questions. The third thing you have to take care of: answer should be written in A4 sheets by the students. On every sheet, name of the college, name of the student, father's name, AKTU roll number, semester, subject name, subject code and date will be written on the top of the page, and page number at the bottom in the given format, and every student will have to arrange their own A4 sheet as per their requirement before examination. The fourth point: format attached below and prepare the attached format on your A4 sheet prior to appearing the examination. We are attaching the format by which you have to write whatever I have told you in above point. The next point is that you should open online video on the link provided at the time of examination till the completion of the examination. That means you are not allowed to switch off, turn off your computer, your mobile or any of the software you are using in. The next point: after completion of examination, 30-minute time will be given to you to scan your A4 answer sheets and convert it into PDF format. Right? That means you will be given 30 minutes extra. When you'll complete your examination, you will scan those A4 sheets and send the PDF answer sheet to the provided college email ID. That is acprec20@gmail.com. That I will provide you at the end of the video. Right? What is the main thing you have to ponder, you have to understand, you have to take care of? That follow these guidelines very carefully and attempt all the questions sincerely. This will be treated as your sessional examination. If required, result or copies will be sent to AKTU and PCI for the evaluation of your final semester examination. So you must be knowing this is for sure that it may go on. So you have to give your examination very sincerely, very carefully. So I'm showing you the format. Just see the format. This is the format. You have to write in the top of the page your roll number, name, father's name, course, semester, subject, subject code, date. Right? And the page number on the bottom in right corner will be as. I'm showing you the example. Like if you have used 4 pages for your answers, then on page 1 you will write 1/4. On page 2 you will write 2/4, 3/4, and same as on the last page, that is page 4, you will write 4/4. Right? This is the thing which you have to take care of. And in the last page you have to give your consent. That is, the content of this answer sheet has been solely written by me, and put your signature in. Okay, so this is all with the guidelines of examination, that is a sectional examination by examination controller, Arikul College of Pharmacy and Research. Now, on the behalf of Arikul College of Pharmacy and Research, I would like to extend अ वेरी 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 बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू यू। अच्छे से अपना एग्ज़ाम दीजिए और बहुत अच्छे से मार्क्स गेन करिए, अच्छी सी पढ़ाई करिए। विल मीट ऑन 29th of June 2020।